This lesson introduces you to a page type called featured articles. The topics are how to create featured articles, how to create featured pages, how to delete items in Joomla, and item states. We've already covered the category blog page type in detail. Those pages display all articles from a particular category. The featured articles page type is similar. However, instead of displaying articles from a particular category, it displays articles where an option labelled featured has been enabled. Let's create one now. Navigate to Content, Article Manager, Add New Article. Step 2, create an article as normal. Start with the title. And specify an appropriate category. I'll use the default uncategorized category so it won't get in the way of other content. Enter some content into the editor. Step 3, in the right column under the Details heading, change Featured to Yes. Click Save and Close. Now navigate to Menus, Main Menu, and have a look at the home page that was automatically created when Joomla was installed. Note that this page type is set to Featured Articles. So there's nothing more to be done except to look at the home page front end. This page displays all articles that have the featured option set to yes. You can have as many or as few of these as you wish, and the behaviour of the page is the same as a category blog page. The global settings for category blog pages also apply to the featured articles page. And you can also override these global settings at the menu level. In fact, you might like to make the following change for the home page, as the word Home is displayed above the content, which isn't very useful. So do this as follows. On the main menu page, click Home. Click the Advanced Options tab. Click the Page Display Options heading. Change the Show Page Heading option to No, and click Save and Close. Now refresh the home page to view the result. I'm going to quickly create a test article and feature it to demonstrate how sort ordering works on featured articles pages. Okay, if you wish to manually specify the display order for articles on a featured articles page, you need to do two things as follows. Step 1, navigate to Content, Featured Articles. Step 2, click the Ordering column heading. Step 3, you can either enter a unique display order number in each of these boxes, or click the arrowheads here to move an individual article up or down the list. The second step is to specify manual ordering in the menu item as follows. Step 1, navigate to Menus, Main Menu. Step 2, click the relevant page. Step 3, click the Advanced Options tab. Step 4, in article order, select Featured Articles Order. Step 5, click Save and Close. As you've seen, the homepage is already set up to display featured articles. You don't have to do this, by the way. Your homepage could be a single article page or a category blog page. Most sites have only one featured articles page, but if you need to create one from scratch, here's how you do it. Step 1, navigate to Menus, Main Menu, Add New Menu Item. Step 2, next to Menu Item Type, click Select. Step 3, click Articles. Step 4, click Featured Articles. Step 5, enter a title. Step 6, click Save and Close. Here's the result on the front end. The site I'm creating doesn't need the test article or this second menu item, so I'll show you how to delete items in Joomla. All you need to do is find the relevant item, click in the box at the left of its row, and click Trash in the Actions toolbar. The process is the same for articles. Navigate to Article Manager, check the box or boxes, next to the items that need to be deleted, and click Trash. The test menu item and the test article have been removed from the front end. While we're on the subject of deleting items, let's talk about the different item states within Joomla. The two items that were deleted are currently still in the Joomla database. Items have a status which by default is the published state. To recover a deleted item, change the status filter in the left column to trashed. This changes the listing to display all articles that have a status of trashed, or in other words, all articles that have been deleted. Now, hover the cursor over the item and you'll see this drop-down arrow appear. This lets you change the status of the item. Changing this to untrash will make the item published again. You can quickly change an item's status using the arrowhead in the listing. State is also available on the Items Entry page. For articles, this is found in the Details column at the right. There are 4 article states. Published. This is the default state, and it means the article is available to be displayed on the front end. Of course, you still need an appropriate page type for it to be visible. Unpublished. If you wish to temporarily hide an article, say if you're still working on it or the content is currently irrelevant and you wish to hide it, set the status to unpublished. The article still appears in the main Article Manager list, however it has a cross next to the title to indicate it's unpublished. To quickly publish it, click the cross. Archived. This is a special state that's used in conjunction with a menu item. If you have content that's out of date, but you still want it to appear somewhere on your website, you can mark these articles as archived, and then you'll find there is a corresponding menu item. I don't demonstrate this particular feature in this course. And trashed. This is the deleted state. As you can see, you can effectively delete the article from here if you wish. To permanently remove an item from the database, you need to view the trashed page, select the item or items to trash, and then click the empty trash icon in the Actions toolbar. There is no way to retrieve items that have been removed from the trash. Menu items also have states. In Menu Manager, change the status filter at the left to trashed to reveal the previously deleted item. This works a little differently to articles. You can click the cross to untrash the item, on the entry page of the menu item, you'll see there are 3 available states: published, unpublished, and trashed. The process to permanently remove an item is the same. Click the checkbox next to the unwanted items and click Empty Trash. That completes this lesson, which discussed how to create featured articles, how to create featured pages, how to delete items in Joomla, and item states.